Go.
So for the last number, what load which caused a total deformation of 0.036 inches of a steel rack which has a cross-section area of 4 inches squared and the length of 5 feet. So yeah. So that area nga 4 inches squared din. Ang modulus of velocity na itong gamit is 29 times 10 raised to the 6. So ang delta L is 0.036 and ang atong L is 60 which is 5 times 12. I-convert na ito ang 5 feet into inches. So inches na siya. So P is equals to AE delta L over L. So ito na siya di-derive daan ng formula. So 4 times 29 times 10 raised to 6 times 0.026 over 60. So natin makuha ang load of 72,000 pounds.